All right, the first of the alcohol-free cocktails we're going to make tonight is called Tempting Fate. I have no idea why I named it that. If you're looking for trivia, I don't have any. So just make something up. First, we're going to start with some grenadine. Now, grenadine here we made out of pomegranate juice and some sugar. We basically made a simple out of pomegranate juice and sugar, and then backed in a little bit of pomegranate molasses. It gives it a more interesting flavor. We'll probably discuss this in a further segment when we do a bunch of syrup segments, but just to let you know, you can make pretty interesting syrups at home fairly quickly. So we're going to put an ounce of that in this drink. And then we're going to do, this is Fee Brothers Aromatic. It comes in a different bottle, but we like the shape of this one. We're a little neurotic about that. So a couple of good dashes of that. Now that is going to have a pronounced cinnamon note, which goes really, really well with the molasses. That's a note in the grenadine we made. And then, of course, a couple of ounces of grapefruit. This pink grapefruit juice you pretty much get all the time now. It's really soft and easy and doesn't have too much acidity, but it's got just enough. But it does need a couple of dashes of bitters to keep the balance. Now we're also going to use a long-standing trick in our favor when it comes to making this seem a little more of a balanced cocktail. There you go. We're going to sneak some soda water in there, make it a little longer. And that's just a 10 count, kind of a shorter shake. As we've already lengthened this drink with soda water, we don't really need to over dilute it by shaking it longer. And it's going to stay nice and cold because it's on the rocks. But we're going to shake it and strain onto fresh rocks so that we're not dumping it and those rocks are already melting. It'll just keep the drink colder, fresher, tasting longer. Give it a quick taste. Oh yeah, that one's tasty. Tempting Fate.